Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video tutorial of using Shiftboard full site through the app on your phone. Easier to use. So just go to your Shiftboard app, click on full site, and then you can access the full site. There it's easier to use search terms to find the shifts that you are eligible to work. So go to schedule. You can use various filters to look by week or day or month. But the one thing you really want to be able to do is to be able to see the shifts that you can work. And you'll do that by going to the gear icon, which is coming up here in a second. You'll see it, and you can set those search terms. So click on the gear icon, and it'll take you to where you can use a drop-down filter in order to enter those search terms of subject, location, and role. And you'll see the drop-down arrow. You choose those three fields. Those are the three most important ones, obviously, because the role that you can do specifies the jobs that you can do. So you'll click on those and make sure you hit save in order to keep those search terms visible. And there you have it. Now you can more easily look through the full site on your phone and see the shifts that you are able to pick up. Usually people with higher level shifts or higher level roles can pick up multiple lower roles, but lower roles can't pick up higher roles. And I'm sure that's been explained. And for those of you who need a little refresher or don't exactly know all the roles that you have and the shifts you're able to work, you go to your account page, My Account, click on Crews, then Roles, and now you'll be able to see the roles. These are the roles for our fictitious person, Damian Johnson. So these roles will show you what you're able to pick up on the schedules and Shiftboard. And there you have it. Now you can see location, role, and event name, also known as subject. Sometimes roles are open, so anyone can pick those up. Happy greening!